Hello!
Hello!
Welcome back to our channel.
Today we are cooking an amazing meal. It's going to be stuffed chicken breast. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is prep our chicken. I have here 3 chicken breasts. Now they're a little thick, so I'm going to slice them in half. And that should thin them out enough. Just one moment. Take your time. If you have to slice, we don't play with knives in here. So yeah, we're going to slice that in half just to thin it out. And I'm still going to beat it down a little bit to kind of thin it a little more. But let's see. I'm thinking that I can go to get another cut on this one. Just got to be very careful. And yeah. Alright, because I don't want it too thick. Alright, so there we go. And I'm going to do the others like this. We'll get the thickest part first, start at the top. And what I'm really feeling on top of is the blade. I'm making sure that I can feel that blade on top, not on the side. If you got to, so I lay it right there, my hand on top, and just kind of feel the blade up under my hand. And then I'll just go ahead on and slice it. So we're getting some pretty good cuts, because they were pretty thick. And we got one more to go. Taking my time, I feel the blade on my hand is on top of the blade, then I stop. And I go ahead on and slice it where I can see where it is at that point. Okay guys, get your saran wrap out. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead on and cover the chicken. I'm going to do the back row first. I'm probably going to need some more saran wrap, but I'm going to do the back row first. And I have my mallet, or should I say meat tenderizer. And we're going to go ahead and tenderize, beat. We're going to go ahead and beat this meat. We got to be careful. This thing here is in and out. So I'm going to lightly hit, because I did kind of cut it thin. Alright, let's see how our paper did. Oh good, we don't have no holes in it. So I'm going to move my paper on up and do the other meat. Alright, so now we have our meat all nice and tenderized. Okay guys, so I got a food chopper, and this is so convenient. It slices vegetables, fruits in one motion. So I am going to go ahead on and pull it out the box. I've used it before. Comes with about 3 blades. Also comes with a little brush to help you clean it. Then you have the container right here, and you can even store it in the container. Okay. I'm gonna put my blade in. And be very careful, because that is a sharp blade. So you don't need, you still have to do pieces of your onion. I do. And I just kind of like to do it like that. And it's gone.
On the end.
On the end? But hold my hand on here.
Oh, punch the end right there.
Oh, okay. Okay, hubby teaching me how to do it, because I'm just doing it my way. I just was hitting. So put my onion on here, and he just told me like right here. That works, hubby. I'll tell you. Okay. I think that's enough. Oh, I have one more piece. One more piece. Okay. All right, guys. So there we have it. Our onions. Okay, guys. So I got my nice iron skillet here. I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of olive oil, and skillet is warm, so it's ready for my vegetables. I'm going to go ahead and add them in. I'm going to add my onions in there. I'm going to get all that in there. I also chopped up some mushrooms. We're going to add that in there. We're going to get them sauteed in. Turn up a little bit. So at this point, you can season your veggies. You can use your salt, pepper, and garlic powder. On this, I'm gonna put a little. It does have a little onion on this seasoning, but I'm mostly wanting it for the garlic that's in here. So we got that. Well, you can season your onions a little bit. You just want them to get nice and soft. I'm gonna put just a little cayenne pepper, just a little. And I think that's enough cooking for this. Like I said, just wanted it to be a little softened up, mix well. And that's our onions and our mushrooms. And we're gonna go ahead and turn this off. I don't want to overcook it because we're gonna bake this in the oven. It's gonna cook some more. Add some parsley on top of that. All right, so I get that all mixed in and blend together. Now I have it off, and we're gonna go back to our chicken. Okay, guys, so now we're back to our chicken, and very simple. Get your favorite chicken seasoning. I know salt, pepper, garlic powder is the basic good to go, but I have my favorite, which is Gourmet Collection. Y'all know this is, I love it. It's almost empty, this bottle. And this is a kicking chicken, finger licking chicken seasoning. It has all kind of good stuff in here. We talk about, it has your salt, your onion, paprika, garlic, black pepper, thyme, sage, oregano, and cumin. It is very good. So this is my season. You can do a Creole season, anything you want to get the flavor of your chicken. So I'm going to use this on my chicken breast. And with this season, you don't have to go heavy at all. You can keep it nice and light. Okay. So we're gonna do that. And we are gonna season both sides. So I got my chicken seasoning here. Let's go right back over a little bit. Make sure it's well seasoned even. And I'm also going to put a little parsley. Going to flip these chicken breasts over. And we're going to repeat. And this time I'm just going to go ahead on in with the parsley first. Parsley is not just for garnishment. Parsley actually does contribute to the flavor of the chicken, and it's also very good for us. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and put that on there. And now my chicken seasoning. So this here was a pack of chicken breasts that I cut thin. You need your ladle, a nice, thick, deep ladle, or just whatever you have, a ladle. And we're gonna take this chicken breast. Okay, lay it in the ladle just like that. Okay, you may need to do 2 pieces, but you can do 2 pieces or you can do 1. We'll take a spoon full of our mixture, which is the onions and mushrooms. And we're gonna fill the cavity of that ladle. And we're gonna just take our, let me just make sure it's nice and just a little bit more on there. We're gonna just take our chicken breast and we're gonna just kind of create this ball shape, like that ball shape. And we're gonna lay it on I have a non-stick pan here. I'm gonna lay it just like that on my pan, okay? Yeah, guys, I always forget this step. Anybody look at all my old videos, I always forget. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. And if you have one of those ovens that are really, really hot, you can drop it down a notch. Use your own judgment on that one. But I'm gonna go ahead on and I'm gonna complete doing the rest of these. Again, I'll show you one more time. And this is a thicker chicken breast here. You're just gonna lay it in your ladle like that and kind of like that. Just like that. Spoonful of your filling, which is nothing but onions and mushrooms. And then you're just gonna kind of fold it over, just kind of create it where it's all in one. Fold it over, hold your ladle upside down like that, lift it up, you got your nice pretty ball. And that is what you're gonna then have the ball up and sit it on the pan. Okay, so we got the ball and the pan looking like that. And we're gonna go ahead and finish them off. And we're gonna put it in the oven once our oven is hot, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, guys, and then we'll get ready to, you'll see when I do all the chicken breasts how it looks. All right, guys, so this is the butter right here. And we're gonna go ahead on and just baste our chicken with it. Okay. Just like. All right, guys, so I got one other piece left. And now we're gonna go ahead on and put this in the oven. Okay, so guys, so we got it all basted. And you can put extra. Just kind of take a little bit. If you have a little extra butter, it's not gonna hurt to go ahead and just pour it on over. Use that all up. All right, now here comes the good part. We're gonna take our cheese and we're gonna put our cheese. You can do Parmesan or mozzarella on your chicken. So right here. On your chicken. Oh, on the chicken, not like I'm doing it on the pan, okay? On the chicken. Like that. Just like that.
More cheese.
Happy say this one needs some more cheese. All right, is that okay, honey bun? All right, okay, guys, in the oven they go. Guys, this was ready in about 30 minutes, and when I tell you, this chicken came out so tender and delicious. You got to try this, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.